Okay, hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and this time we are going to do this pointed tulip leaf or the bar. I've made a lot already, so you will be needing 3 mm hook size or whatever hook you want to use. You want it big leaf, okay, use a bigger hook and a bigger yarn or the bar. It depends on your hook and your yarn. So if you're a beginner, you can use a stitch marker, but for me it's easy, so there's no need to use stitch marker. And then a scissor, of course, a wire. I think this is 40 centimeters, or just adjust the size. Okay, all you have to do is get a one millimeter, I think, millimeter size of not yarn, of a wire, and then size it up like that. And it's up to you if you want the wire to be short or longer. It's all up to you. It depends, just be creative. And then I use this comb cotton. This is an Egyptian cotton, so I like it so much because it's hand dyed. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, first you're going to do a slip knot. So wrap it in your finger, and then make a loop like this, and then insert the hook into that hole, and then pull up a loop. Ta-da! There you have it. You have a slip knot already. And now you're going to do is to chain 46. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then fast forward because we're going to count until next year. Okay, and then you have your 46 foundation chains. Now you're going to do a single crochet, huh? So into the second stitch from your hook, you're going to do single crochet. Okay, this is how I do my single crochet. You can go back again if you wanna, check how to do it. But you're going to insert your hook into the next stitch, and then rub the yarn, and then pull up 2 loops. That is your single crochet. Then after that, into the next stitch, you're going to do half double crochet. So yarn over, there you go, and then insert your hook into the next stitch, pull up a yarn, and then pull up 3 loops. There you go. And then you're going to do another half double crochet. Yarn over, insert it into the next stitch, and then grab a yarn and pull it out. There you have 2 half double crochet. Into the next stitch, you're going to do double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, grab a yarn, pull up 2 loops, and then pull up again 2 loops. That is your double crochet. So you're going to do 28 double crochet. Okay, so again, going to do double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, pull up a yarn, pull up 2 loops, and then pull up 2 loops. There you go. Now you have double crochet. You're going to do 28 double crochet. So I will meet you until you reach your second to the last double crochet. Okay, now we're going to do your last double crochet. This is your last double crochet, and then after this you're going to do 2 half double crochet. So into the next stitch you're going to do half double crochet, into the second of that stitch, the next stitch rather, is one half double crochet, and then after that you're going to do 10 single crochet. Okay, 10 single crochet. So insert the yarn into the next stitch, pull up a yarn, pull up 2 loops. You are going to do 10 single crochet. I will meet you later. Okay, this is your last single crochet. This is your 10th, and into the last stitch you're going to do your increase. Okay, single crochet increase. Single crochet increase is that you're going to do 2 single crochet into one stitch. So into that same stitch you're going to do one more single crochet, so you have a single crochet increase, and then you are going to work into the other side. Okay, so you're going to do is to like mirror, you're going to copy but mirrored. So insert your hook into the next stitch. You're going to do one single crochet. Now I repeat, you're going to do this mirrored, so you're going to do 10 single crochet. Okay, I'll meet you later until you reach your ninth single crochet. Okay, so this is your last single crochet. Don't forget to work with the yarn tail. I work with the yarn tail. I didn't cut it. I will cut it later on. And then half double crochet into the next, and then one half double crochet here. That's the yarn tail. Don't forget to work on it too. And then after that, you're going to do double crochet, 28 double crochet. Okay, so wrap the yarn there, and then rub it, rub 2 loops, and rub the yarn and rub 2 loops. So what you're going to do is 28 double crochet. I will see you when you reach your fifth to the last stitch. Okay, just leave 5 stitches. Okay, 5 stitches there. So I will see you when you reach that stage. It's so easy. Okay, so I've made 27 double crochet already. Now we're going to make your last double crochet. So insert your hook there. You did your last double crochet. That's your 28. Now there are 4 unworked stitches. You're going to do half double crochet. Okay, half double crochet, and then into the next stitch you're going to do half double crochet again, and then into the next stitch you're going to do single crochet, and into the last stitch you will do your single crochet. Okay, and then after that you're going to do is slip stitch there. Don't do any chains yet. Okay, and now you're going to work with the wire. Okay, so this is the wire there. You're going to work with the wire, so you have to flip it, yeah, like that. So you're going to work with the wire, so prepare yourself. Just joking. So put the wire in between of the hook and the yarn. Okay, just fold it like this, the same what I've done, and then chain 1 there. And then after that you're going to do single crochet into the same stitch. You're going to do single crochet. Okay, you're going to do 44 single crochet or until you reach the middle top. Okay, Okay, so this is your 44th stitch there. So we are going to fix the wire and the leaf. So we are going to adjust it. Push, 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 and pull, 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 stretch, stretch, stretch. Then after that, you're going to chain two. Okay, chain two, one and two, and then after that, second chain from the hook, you're going to do a slip stitch there, and into that same stitch, you're going to do a single crochet there, and then after that, into the unworked stitches, you're going to do single crochet all the way until you reach your second to the last stitch. You're going to do 44 single crochet also, okay, until there. So made our 43 single crochet already. So this will be our last stitch, our 44th stitch. Okay, always work with the wire, and then that is your chain over there, and that's your slip stitch, and then after that you're going to do a slip stitch into the first single crochet that you've made. Okay, so insert your hook into the first stitch, and then do your slip stitch. There you have your slip stitch, and then you're going to do is to chain one. So you're going to work behind behind the wire. So there you're going to do the chaining there. Okay, chain one there, and then cut the yarn, just enough yarn to wrap the wire. Okay, not too long and not too short. Okay, so now wrap you're going to wrap the wire. Okay, so I didn't measure anything, I just cut it, so it's up to you, but not too short and not too long. Okay, so stretch, stretch, stretch the leaves again, stretch the leaf there, and then twist it, twist the wire, and then wrap the wire. See, work it there, and then wrap it there, there, inside the wire. So there's more. So all you have to do is just to cut the yarn because it's still long, and see, it's pointed. I like it. I like the pointed thingy over there. It's like a real wow. And then thank you so much for watching and keeping me company. And I hope you like this video. And if you like it,
Oh, no, no,
just like it. Thank you and much love from your fairy beautiful monster. Bye bye.